Let's go into starter course. So starter course will be applied under the following conditions. Starter course will have to be turned on in the carrier settings. The shingle material would have to be metal, wood, composition, or have the base material of the roof would have to have a supporting starter course line item for that material. When starter course is applied, then it is going to follow the material type of the primary material, meaning because it's only applied for the primary material that has a supporting starter course line item, it is going to follow that predominant material. So under composition, there's primarily three different types. But if the starter course, if the material type was to change to a premium or deluxe shingle, then the starter course that is applicable for that more primary or for that premium material is going to adjust along with the primary material. If the material type were to be wood, then the starter course for that would be wood. And then again, for metal roofing is going to follow a shingle, like for instance aluminum. Then starter course would be applied for the aluminum starter course. If the auto waste is turned on and starter course is included in the 3-tab shingle, so if I was to include eave starter course on the rakes and on the eaves, then starter course would be removed from the question because it's being accounted for in the auto waste function.